Hey everybody, it's Anthony here with EduPower Tools, and I am here today to talk to you about this awesome new tool that I just came across called Classroom Screen. Seems like it probably has been out for a little bit, but it's the first time that I'm coming across it, and I wanted to make sure that I shared it all with you, especially those teachers who are fortunate enough to have projectors in your classroom, which is for most of you, I hope. So what it does is it creates a dashboard that you're able to use throughout the day for a variety of things. It's really easy to get to, classroomscreen.com. You don't need to sign up for any kind of account or anything like that. It just loads up and then you customize it from there. It would be kind of nice if you could set things up ahead of time and then save it and then display it, if you're planning from day to day. But it is what it is right now. So this is what it looks like. It's just a simple background. Looks like the desktop to a computer, basically. And they have different images that pop up each time that you log in. So this one obviously is of the sky and the moon. I've seen the Great Wall of China pop up. I've also seen London pop up, all sorts of different things. So you can also customize the background. And what I was thinking with customizing the background, and this might be a later tutorial, is have different areas of the board for like different subjects. So maybe ELA, math, things like that. So you could kind of have little designated areas for things. So that was just my kind of thought there. Okay, so the tools that it does have here, I'll go through each of them right now. We've got language, so obviously we're in the United States, we're going to select English, but for those of you who are in bilingual classrooms or in like Spanish immersion type classrooms or any other language immersion classrooms, you've got a lot of options there. So we've got those. We're just going to keep it on English for now. Here's where you're going to customize the background. So you can click on background and you have a whole bunch of different choices that you can choose here that they have included. And like I said, it kind of rotates through. If you want to make like a nice little fireside type thing, you can select a GIF, and that's going to make you pretend that you're here at a fire, which is kind of cool to kind of create a different atmosphere in your classroom and things like that. So I'm going to choose, oh, here's instruments. That's great for music class. My background's in music, so we'll put it there. Okay, so the next tool from the left to the right is a random name. So you can click on that and you can copy and or paste in some student names. So instead of having kids go me, 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 you can have this just kind of automatically choose it, which is kind of nice. Sound level, so it can measure the sound. So basically what it's doing is it's red right now because I keep talking and it's hooked up to my microphone, but what it's doing is it's analyzing the ambient noise level in the room and it's giving you a rating up there. So if it's too loud, then it says red. And you can set it to make a notification too, so that if you yeah, there we go. Sensitivity is better there. So you can change the sensitivity level there. So you see I'm talking too loud now, so it's in the red, but when I'm talking quietly, then it's going to just stay in the green, which is nice, boys and girls. And then you can also set the alarm for when you get louder, and it'll go ding, okay, which is kind of cool. All right, so that's the sound level thing there. QR code. This is kind of neat if you're encouraging students to bring in devices from home. So the QR code, basically what it is it allows you to put up a website on the screen. So say I just wanted to put Google up there. I'll type in the website there and I hit enter, and the QR code changes so that you have your devices. So if you have your iPad or your phone or something like that, you're going to open up the camera app and you're going to scan that. And it's going to see on the iPhone, it's going to brings up that link there. You tap on the link and it takes you to where you want them to go, which is Google. Kind of neat. All right, so that's a neat way to kind of, if you're having the students bring in their devices from home and their tablets and they have that camera, they're able to get to these websites really quickly. And you can do multiple ones. See down here in the QR code, it's got +1 here. So we can add another one there, put in another website. So if you've got more than one website, you can do that there. Drawing, you can just do a simple drawing here. So if you wanted, you could kind of make it be like an interactive whiteboard almost, where you're drawing things. You can do math problems or, whatever else you can think of to put out there. To get rid of these things, I'm just clicking the red X here and it goes away. So let's drawing. What is this drawing one? Not sure what this one is. I'll have to find out. I'll post that in the blog post when this is done. All right, text, pretty straightforward. Type text, instructions for the day. And again, you can add more than one. So we can put more than one there, which is kind of cool. So you can have 2 schedules, morning activities, afternoon activities, however you think you need to do that. Work symbols. So when you're having, the kids either working independently or in groups, you can give them instructions and just little reminders. They look up at the board. Oh, we're supposed to be quiet right now. So we're going to just kind of stay silent, or, hey, whisper to your neighbor, or, hey, ask your neighbor. So use your full voice, or work together and use your full classroom voice, of course. And this one for work together. That's kind of neat. Traffic light. Want them to go? Go. Want them to stop? Stop. All right. That's kind of cool. And the timer, which everybody uses a timer. You can set the timer and it'll go off at the appropriate time. And then the last thing is the clock. So it just struck me as kind of a neat thing. You can set it to be the calendar too. Just kind of a neat thing to put up onto the projector throughout the day, or at various times throughout the day, when you're having class meetings or things like that. Just thought it would be kind of a neat tool to share with you. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy to help you at any time. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.